Hi, I'm Dean Darwin. I'm the Senior Vice President of Worldwide Marketing. I'm here today with Julian Eames, who's
Hello.
our EVP of Business Operations.
Thank you.
And Julian, you're in charge of this project we have at F5 called Silverline. And there's been a lot of news released around the world. What specifically is Silverline?
Well, it's a lot more than a project. It started off as that a couple of years ago, but now it's very much a platform to provide cloud services to our clients through F5.
So when you mean cloud services, is it just, I know we've talked about DDoS and WAF, it's really wrapped around application services, right?
Absolutely, totally aimed at the application. The DDoS and WAF service were the first ones that we've come out with. We're developing more services all the time. And over time, we will get to the whole suite of the F5 products and may even expand beyond there.
Well, we've done a lot of talking about hybrid, and we've come out with hybrid solutions, but what's the market need right now for Silverline?
Well, a lot of the enterprises that we talk to around the globe, the market is changing. They are implementing applications at a hugely fast rate. We're hearing about enterprises doubling the number of applications every 4 years. Now, not all of those come through the IT department. Some of those come through business users as well. And the need to get to market quickly is very key to those clients. We've also seen some of the IT departments also start to move some of their applications into the cloud as well, be them private or public. And we're adding an additional service to help them be consistent between their data center and the cloud in terms of the services we can provide to those applications around security, speed, and so on.
Okay, so we're providing an alternative to current solutions from F5.
Absolutely, particularly where those enterprises don't have the necessary skill sets or the capital expenditure at the time. They can work with our experts to deploy the services to their application, then maintain them, monitor them 7/24, and ensure that the same level of service is received from those applications as they got from the ones they were managing inside their own data center.
So if I'm a customer, I mean, obviously you mentioned a lot of advantages over this and what problem we're trying to solve.
Sure.
From a customer perspective, what would be the benefit? Is it cost? Is it agility? Is it time to market?
So really all three, and it really depends on what the customer's strategy is at the time. But they can come directly to us, employ our own experts to help them deploy the services, particularly around security at the moment. That gets them speed to market because they're not having to wait in line for their own IT department to come up there. They don't have to make the capital expenditure up front. They can buy it from us as a service. And so they get all three: cost savings, time to market, and then the use of our expertise that they may or may not have.
And I think that's probably most important because the customers I talk to, they've got F5 in their core networks,
Yep.
and they want that same competency when they go to cloud type services.
Absolutely, and better still, we can match the two. So that we can keep the policies the same so they can move from one environment to another environment fairly seamlessly.
It's exciting times with F5 right now with Silverline.
Certainly is.
So I'd like to thank you for joining, and to learn more about our Silverline services, please go to f5.com/Silverline.